This is my setup for accurately drilling in the end of a long rod on a basic lathe. Hi, so this is a little teaser of a project which I'm currently working on part-time as a commission. And can you see what it is yet? Basically, if you can tell me what I'm making and all the materials that I'm making it from, in this video at least, then there might be a little prize for you. And I'll continue to film as I'm making it, and there'll be a project video showing the whole thing, hopefully a little bit in the future. Now, whatever it is I'm making, I haven't made one before, and it's taking a long time. I'm having to do quite a bit of research, at least to begin with, and then the communication with the person who's commissioned it is taking a long time. We have to have some meetings about it and discussions by email as well. Anyway, it's been fun so far. So, did you see what it was yet? Don't forget to leave your comments, what you think it is and the materials you think I'm using to make it underneath this video. Cheerio.